Hey, Jeff and his pond here. Oh my gosh. I love it when they come around and look, there's two. We've got a possible hairy woodpecker there and a male red belly. Oh my gosh, I just love it when they come around. And look at they're following each other up the tree. Wow. What a great time. I saw him fly in and I grabbed my camera quick. I'm gonna try and zoom a little bit more so that we can get a good glimpse of them. So please don't get sick. Just hold on. Hold on, we're gonna be okay here. I gotta find him again. Where'd he go? Where did you go? I love it when he comes. Right there he is. Right there he is. Okay, we're gonna zoom in a little bit more. Oh, I'm zoomed all the way out. Where'd he go? There. Okay, I'm gonna try and hold still. Okay, that is a male red belly woodpecker. And he comes, and sometimes the female comes. So the difference is the male has the complete red head. The female has like a mohawk stripe up her head, up the back of her head. I'm trying to look over the camera and hold this still and see where he went. He's on the back side of the tree, obviously. Oh, but my goodness, I was just so excited. Yeah, because sometimes she comes down here to the suet feeders and he gets a little bit. Anybody see him? Put your hand up or holler. I don't see him. He might have flown away. Oh, that's a squirrel. That's a squirrel. We've had an albino one around here, but I haven't seen him today lately. Oh gosh, I can't find him. I can't find him. Oh, no, that's not a squirrel. That's the little hairy. That's the little hairy woodpecker. Oh, we'll watch him for a while. He comes this morning. He was here at the suet feeders this morning. Funny thing is, I can't find him in the tree when I'm looking at over the camera. Well, it's okay. We're gonna just look at him for a little while. Boy, he's having a good old time, isn't he? Yeah, he is. Yeah, he is. Well, listen. All right. Can't find the red belly. He must have taken off. I think the other guy just took off too. Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh, I see him. Oh, I see him. I see him. I see him. I see him. Where'd he go? Sorry for all this searching around here. When you're zoomed out at 20, it makes it a little difficult. this up a little bit. I know this is we're gonna get him. He's down there. All right, guys, I'm sorry you're bored. I thought we could catch another view of him because he came around the corner of the tree. But we're gonna pop back to, yeah, that's how far we were zoomed out. So anyway, I'll give you a shot here of the pond while you're on here. And yeah, that's what it looks like. It's kind of sad. Kind of sad here in the wintertime. But I'll give you a shot of the bird feeders and see them. There's always something going on here. Always, always, always. That middle one there on the right hand side generally has a squirrel up in it. So, but hey, okay, this is Jeff and his pond. Hope you enjoyed this on our scavenger hunt here for the red belly again. But keep your stick on the ice. God bless. Have a great day.